OVH Cloud Hosting Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think web hosting is complicated and expensive, but you won't believe what happens next when you check out OVH Cloud. OVH Cloud is a cloud hosting provider offering VPS, dedicated servers, and scalable cloud solutions for websites, applications, and enterprise systems. They focus on high performance, data security, and global server coverage. The surprising truth about OVH Cloud is its flexibility. You can choose the right level of hosting from simple web projects to complex business applications without paying for unnecessary features. Their control panel is intuitive, allowing you to manage servers, monitor performance, and deploy applications easily. Most people get this wrong. They assume cloud hosting is only for large tech companies. OVH Cloud provides options suitable for startups, small businesses, and developers, making it accessible to a wide range of users. They also have strong security measures, including DDoS protection and data redundancy. The platform is best for businesses, developers, and tech-savvy users who need reliable hosting with customizable solutions. Whether you want to host a website, an e-commerce store, or a cloud application, OVH Cloud has the infrastructure to support growth. The surprising truth is that OVH Cloud combines affordability, performance, and global presence, giving users enterprise-level hosting without breaking the bank. Subscribe for more honest reviews of hosting providers to help you choose the best platform for your projects.